Shopping in Hamra is great, but with street upon street rammed full of good stores, knowing where to begin can be a struggle. Arte is not an ordinary jewel shop in Lebanon. It's responsible for taking the jewelry and watch trade to the next level. We offer the best range of jewelry with unique custom-made designs. If you're looking to custom design your own jewelry or looking for someone who can design it for you, then your search ends here. Whether you need custom jewelry, gifts for loved ones, or a corporate gift, you can simply download our app and select Personalized. Then simply fill in the form below with all your jewelry tailored options and preferences, and we'll get back to you with quotes as soon as possible. It will be revised by a team of our dedicated designers to make sure you are satisfied with your jewelry. It will then be assembled by our factory and delivered straight to your home. With our cash and delivery order system, it's that simple. When you think Arte, think custom made.